Technology is evolving faster than ever. AI is rewriting the future. Coding is shaping the world. Are you keeping up? Welcome to Stallions Technologies, your go-to source for AI, coding, and the latest tech insights. We simplify complex technologies so you can stay ahead. We cut through the noise with expert breakdowns, in-depth comparisons, and real-world applications. From programming languages to AI breakthroughs, we've got you covered. We drop new videos every week, deep diving into AI, coding, and tech trends. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you never miss a game-changing update. Stallions Technologies, where innovation meets simplicity.